Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking your TCL model and having the remote in hand. This matters because menus differ between Android TV, Google TV, and Roku. Once powered and on Wi-Fi, press Home, then open Settings right away. Make sure you can see System or Security entries. If you're on Android/Google, look for Apps or Privacy. On Roku, go to Settings Privacy. This first step gets you into the right control panels fast, so you can disable voice features without guessing where they hide. Now you disable the assistant directly. On Android or Google TV, open Settings, Apps, find Google or Assistant, then clear microphone permission and toggle off voice activation. Once done, also check Account or Assistant settings inside the Google app to turn off hot word detection. On Roku, go to Settings, Privacy, then disable voice recognition and voice prompts. Make sure you revoke mic permissions and toggle off any wake words. That stops the assistant from listening or starting up unexpectedly, which is the key action here. Finish by confirming settings are saved, then reboot the TV to ensure the changes take effect. If the assistant still activates, go back to Apps and disable or uninstall updates for the Assistant app or force stop it. Make sure any linked mobile apps or paired remotes aren't re-enabling voice features. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, back up your preferences, and have account passwords ready. If things go wrong, clear cache, check for firmware updates, and retry the permission toggles. That usually resolves lingering behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.